Hello my dear children, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidya Prabhu, your maths teacher here. Today's session is about class 10 NCERT chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Exercise number 3.1, question number 1, second subdivision. 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost 46. Find the cost of pencil and pen. So we need to solve the given statement by using pair of linear equation in two variable. So here we have two unknown quantity. One is the cost of pencil, another one we need to find out the cost of one pen. So we are going to assume, let the cost of one pencil equal to X rupees and the cost of one pen equal to Y rupees. So from the statement we need to frame a linear equation in two variable. So the first statement, 5 pencil and 7 pen together cost rupees 15. So you can frame 5 pencil, right? So 5x plus 7y equal to the total amount 50 rupees. The second equation is about 7 pencil and 5 pen, the together cost 46. So 7x plus 5y equal to 46. So this is a pair of linear equation in two variable. So from the statement we have equation 1 and 2, 5x plus 7y equal to 50, and the second equation 7x plus 5y equal to 46. We need to solve this given equations by using graphical method. So I'll take equation 1 from 1, 5x plus 7y equal to 50. So we'll be writing this equation in terms of either x or you can write in terms of y, so that we can find out the different values of x and y. So I'm going to write in terms of y. So 7y equal to 50 minus 5x. Y equal to 50 minus 5x dividing by 7. So from equation 1 we are writing in terms of y. So now we need to give minimum of 3 or 4 values of x to find out the different values of y. So we have x and y. Now I am going to give. So whenever we are substituting the value of x, see to that if a denominator is 7, if numerator is a multiple of 7, then the simplification part will be easy. If I substitute 0 here, 50 minus 5, 45. 45 is not divisible by 7. So we have to analyze and substitute the value of x in such a way that it is a multiple of 7 so that it can be divisible by 7. I'm going to substitute x as 2. If I substitute x as 3, 50 minus of 5 into 3, 15, right? So 50 minus 15 is 35. So 35 dividing by 7, x equal to 5. Then you can substitute x equal to 4, 20, 30 is not divisible by 7. Now go for the negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If I substitute x as minus 4, 50 minus of 5 into minus 4 dividing by 7. So 50 minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20 by 7. So 70 dividing by 7. So y equal to 10. So I have given two different values of x. One is x equal to 3. So we are getting y equal to 5 and x equal to minus 4, y equal to y equal to 10. So now let me take the second equation and we'll find out the different values of x and y. So the equation 2, 7x plus 5y equal to 46. 5y is equal to 46 minus 7x. Y equal to 46 minus 7x dividing by 5. So now we have to give the different values of x so that we can find out the values of y. So here when you are substituting the value of x, substitute in such a way that it must be a multiple of 5 so that the simplification will be easy, and plotting a graph you find it very easy. If it is a decimal, plotting a point will be a tough. So if I substitute 1 x equal to 46 minus 7, no, it's not a multiple of 5. So if I substitute 2, 14, then I get 16. So if x equal to 2, if I substitute x equal to minus 2, 46 minus 7 of minus 2, minus into minus plus. So 46 plus 14, 60. So 60 divisible by 5, x equal to 2. Okay, then you have to see some different values of x. Either it may be a positive integer or it can be a negative integer also. I'm going to substitute x equal to 8. If it is 8, 46 minus 56, right? So minus 10. Minus 10 dividing by 5, minus 2. So now using this values of, I'm going to take the point A as 3, 5 and the point B as minus 4, 10 and the coordinate C as minus 2, 12 and D 8, minus 2. We'll plot this point on a graph to find out the value of x and y, that is the cost of one pencil and one pen. So maximum we want on x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. So x, x dash, y, y dash. So on negative side we have minus 1, minus 2 maximum. Then on y we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. On left negative side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, etc. So let me plot the point A, 3, 5. X axis 3, y axis 5. So this is A. Then B we have minus 4, 10. So x axis minus 4, 10. B minus 4, 10. Then C minus 2, so let me join this. AB will be your first line and minus 2, 12. C minus 2, 12. Then D 8, minus 2. So join C and D. When you join the C and D, the intersection of these two lines will be at the point A, that is 3, 5. The two lines intersect at a point 3, 5, which means that x, y will be 3, 5. So we have assumed it as x, the cost of one pencil, and y, the cost of one pen. So from the graph, you can understand that the cost of one pencil equal to 3 rupees and one pen equal to 5 rupees. Let me explain the problem again. This is from exercise 3.1. First one, second subdivision. 5 pencil and 7 pens together cost 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pen together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of each pencil and pen. Each is nothing but one pencil and one pen. So I am going to assume, let the cost of one pencil equal to x rupees and the cost of one pen equal to y rupees. So using the cost and using the number of pencil and the pen, we need to frame an equation. So we have 5 pencil here. So 5 into the cost x, 5x plus 7 pen into the cost y the total amount you have to give it to shopkeeper is 50. So 5x plus 7y equal to 50, and the second equation 7x plus 5y equal to 46 rupees. Now by taking the first equation, you can write in terms of either x or y, and we have to give different values of x so that we can find out the different values of y. Actually, we know that linear equation two variable has infinite number of solution, so that you can give any values of x and y. Either it may be a positive integer or it can be a negative integer also. But see to that on substituting the value, it must be a multiple of 7 so that the simplification will be easy. So here I have substituted x equal to 3, so y will be 5, and x equal to minus 4, y equal to 10. So the coordinate of A as 3, 5 and the coordinate of B as minus 4, 10. Now take the second equation, write in terms of y. So we are getting 46 minus 7x equal to 5. Giving different values of x. Substituting x as minus 2, so y will be 12. Substituting x as 8, y will be minus 2. So coordinate of C as minus 2, 12 and D as 8, minus 2. Now plot the point on the graph. So we will be getting a two lines. Where the two lines intersect, that will be the solution for the given pair of linear equation in two variable. So the given lines intersect at the point 3, 5, which means that x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Which from this you can understand the cost of one pencil equal to 3 rupees and one pen equal to 5 rupees. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.